What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, and I'm back again for another video. In today's video, I have a Burlington Coat Factory haul for y'all. Something a little different. I never seen a Burlington Coat Factory haul on YouTube, so I decided to do this. Maybe y'all have seen one. I don't know. I haven't came across one, but shorts and t-shirts and things like that I like to wear. So I'm going on a vacation in the next couple weeks, so I decided to go pick a few things up. I'm going back probably this week to go get some more things because they didn't have a lot. So a lot of people go to Burlington that I see. So yeah, man, before I get into this video, man, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to your boy channel. It is free $99. So don't hesitate to hit that button. Also, hit that post notification bell for upcoming videos of mine. So, yeah, man, let's get into this video. Up first, I'm gonna start with the shorts that I got. I got these white shorts. They are Calvin Klein white cotton shorts. They got the drawstring, and it says Calvin Klein right there in black. Y'all can see. They're real light. They cotton, but you know, it's a light cotton. It's not too heavy. I can wear it no matter how hot it is. I can wear it because, you know, I'm going to the Bahamas, if I didn't say it in the beginning. So it does get hot. So I want to be a little comfortable. And these are a size medium. They are real comfortable. I tried them on when I was at the store, so I may try them on in this video. I'm not too sure, but these were priced at $24.99. Okay. Up next, now these pair of shorts, this color I never usually wear. A lot of dudes wearing this color, so I said I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And it's like I would say it's pink, salmon, whatever color you want to call it. Got the white drawstring, and these are a size extra large. And they retail for $12.99. If y'all can see that. Also cotton. I like cotton shorts. They're real comfortable, and you get a lot of all of these shorts are not like heavy cotton. They're just like the right fabric. It's not too heavy, not too, you know, bulky. Like sweatpants. They're not like the sweatpants you wear. So they got some writing. I think it's Chinese writing or whatever it is on the bottom half of the pants. Like I said, they are a size extra large. Retail for $12.99. I got some next to them. I got some blue ones. There's no writing or anything on these. You got your drawstring, and they got some like styrofoam on the end of it. I don't know why that's there. I guess this is to keep it. The pockets have like some gray on the inside. I plan on getting another pair. These are extra large. And these also retail for $12.99. It's not a name brand, it's just regular. Last pair of shorts I have, this some blue jean shorts. You got your little stonewash design by the zipper. These also are a size 38. The name of these are called Genius. If y'all can see that. This is a regular pair, not name brand. This a regular pair of shorts. I could wear a white t-shirt with some forces or something like that. And these also retail for $22.99. Okay, on to the shirts. Now all my shirts here are a size large, but I don't know, gained a little weight, so I'm gonna go back to the store, probably like size up to an extra large. Get my stomach some room. Can't breathe in these shirts like I used to. First up, shirts, I have Yoda. With the orange glow around them, it says "The Child." Like I said, these are a size large. This a regular, nothing on the back. It's plain. And this retailed for, I believe this one was $8.99. Yeah, $8.99 at Burlington. The next shirt I had this for a while. I don't think I did a haul on this one. This is also a large. It's a Boys in the Hood. I think I may have worn this in a video or something. This is a Boys in the Hood t-shirt, Ice Cube, with the 6'4" Impala. You know what I'm saying? It just says Boys in the Hood, and at the bottom it says, ain't no family tale, ain't no fairy tale, I'm sorry, on the bottom of half of the shirt right there. One of the classic movies, Boys in the Hood. I just was watching it the other night. Next up, this shirt. Yeah, this shirt is actually an extra large. I came across this shirt, well, my wife came across the shirt when I was walking through the store. She's seen it. She's like, I should get it. This is an extra large, good guy shirt. You know, Chucky's a classic movie. I love movie t-shirts. You probably see me with a lot of them. Classic shirts. And it says at the bottom, he wants you for a best friend. At the bottom. You know, Chucky was evil, bro. Chucky was real evil back in the day. I used to have, when I was younger, I used to have it was called My Buddy Dolls. If y'all know what that is, just Google My Buddy Dolls and see what I'm talking about. That was the original Chucky. So, my next shirt, these two are also graphic tees. This one is a large. That one is a large. It is a Batman comic book t-shirt with the Joker. You got the original Batman. Then you got the Joker with the laughing all around. And at the bottom it says, look out Gotham, the Joker's back in town. And they got the city of Gotham at the bottom, things like that. And you know how the old comic books, they have like the 20 cent, let me show you, the 20 cent stickers on them on the camera, but really a dope tee. Nothing on the back, just plain. Okay, last but not least, got a Flash t-shirt in gray, yellow, and black. It says Flash, the Flash. It's really a dope t-shirt. I want to get a pair of shoes to go with this, but I can't figure out what shoe matches this. Yeah, I can't really. I'll figure it out. But if y'all know something to match these, this shirt or any shirts that you've seen me put up in this video, just let me know down in the comments. And yeah. But yeah, man, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. But stay tuned for the next video of mine once I go to Burlington sometime at the end of this week. Today is Monday, so probably about Friday or Saturday, I'll probably be doing another video. And also, if you want me to vlog my Bahamas trip, let me know also. But yeah, man, this is the end of the video. This is your boy Jay, and I'm signing out. See y'all next video. Peace.